If you need a go-to pasta salad for cookouts, barbecues, or potlucks, hey, I got something for you. This thing's flavorful, it's simple, and it's even better the next day. So let's make it happen, Captain. Alright, I'll put everything you need for this recipe in the description. Go ahead, get you a large pot of water on your stove, get it started boiling, and we're going to go ahead and prep our veggies for our pasta salad while that's boiling. We're going to chop up one red bell pepper. We're going to chop up one green bell pepper. And you want a little bite to them. Don't dice them up too fine, just chopped. And we're going to dice up one red onion. You want to dice it a little finer than you do your bell pepper. So I put my red onions just in a bowl with all. Now if you don't want as much bite from your red onion, after you dice them up, you can put them in a bowl, submerge them in water, and just let them sit for about 5 minutes. It'll kind of take some of the bite from the onion out of it, and then drain the water off in a colander and put it all with the rest of your veggies. This is my wife's favorite pasta salad that I make. She actually kind of likes a little of the bite from the red onion, so I didn't do that. I just put it all in the bowl. Also, I'm making the base for this thing. You can do all kind of stuff with this pasta salad. You can have cherry tomatoes and put in it. You can put mushrooms in it. You can put cucumber in it to give it that brighter summer something. You can put pepperoni or salami in it. All works out really well. My wife really likes just the base, and I'm making it for her today. Make sure you salt your water generously. And this is just one box of tricolor rotini. We're going to put that in. You want to cook it based on package directions to al dente. Cooked my pasta, drained it, ran a little cold water over it, just put it in the bowl. Now it's time to build out the salad. We're going to take all of our chopped veggies and we're going to dump those in on top of our pasta. This is 1 can of just large olives that I drained, black olives. We're going to dump that in. This is half a cup of grated or shredded Parmesan cheese. Now you want to divide the Parmesan. We're going to put some on it now. We're going to put some of the dressing and everything on it. Then we're going to chill it. When we get it out, we'll add the rest. So this is half cup. I'm going to put that on. This is a half teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to put that on there. This is a half teaspoon of just coarse ground black pepper. We're going to put that on there. Now for your dressing, don't really matter what brand you get, but I would recommend you buy the Zesty Italian dressing. This is just 16-ounce bottle. We're going to put about 3/4 of this on our pasta salad right now. And we're just going to mix this bad boy up. Alright, after we get all that combined, I'm just going to put some cling wrap over it. I'm going to stick it in the fridge. You'd like to let it chill for at least 2 hours, but it's better if you let it sit overnight. So this is a great make-ahead meal. I'm going to stick mine in the fridge. I'll show you what we do when we get it out. Alright, got mine out of the fridge. Now this pasta, the reason we do this, it kind of soaks in some of this Italian dressing while it sits. That's why it's better the next day. Before you serve it, get it out. Go ahead, finish off the rest of that bottle. Put that on your pasta salad. And then we're going to add our final half cup of just shredded up Parmesan cheese. And then give it one good mix again. My wife doesn't like the add-ons. She likes it this way. She'll just come get bowls of this stuff and just eat it just like it is. She don't need anything else to go with it. But this goes great with my grilled chicken thighs that I got a video out on, or any barbecue steak, pork tenderloin. This is the way to roll. We're going to plate this thing up. We'll take a taste test and I'll let you know how it turned out. Let's plate this thing up. That's what it looks like plated. Going in for a taste. Oh my, y'all. This is so good. This thing's got just enough of that bite from that zesty Italian and the bell peppers, but it's still got a clean, like, summer feel to it. This is awesome. My wife already sampled it before I got here. It got her thumbs up, so you need to be making this. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more things from Plant and Plate, hit that subscribe button. We'd put a video out about every week. You'll get some summer dishes, some grilling, desserts. Also, if you decide to make this, leave me a comment. I'd love to know how it turned out for you. Thanks again. God bless. We'll see you down the road.